Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chandra I.C.C.I Drip with another YouTube video. And if this is your first time tuning into my channel will consist of how-to videos, DIY videos, fashion hauls, ways to make money, and how to start a business. So if this is something that you would be interested in, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel for a chance to win free gift cards. Okay. Y'all, what's good? I haven't talked to y'all since Christmas, New Year's. Now it's 2021 and I'm back with another video. What's good? I'm so excited to be coming back with another video for the new year 2021. And y'all was asking for the part 2 of my DIY video, and I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the reveal looked like, because y'all wanted to see with the labels off, and y'all was asking me if I kept the labels on or if I kept the labels off. And y'all also asked me if I sealed the bottles, which I don't, or I didn't at the moment, but I will figure out a way to seal the glitter so it is not spilling over. So let me stop talking and let's get into this video, okay?